principle of explosion. This is a phenomena in which a logical system you can prove anything to be true. Before we go into principle of explosion, I want to cover disjunctive syllogism and disjunction introduction. The disjunction introduction is essentially if you have a statement P which is true, then P or Q is also true. And second is disjunctive syllogism. If P or Q is true and not P is true, then Q is also true. So the key idea here is if P and not P are true, then you can prove anything to be true. This destroys any logical system. So in a logical system, if you can prove that both P and not P are true, then that logical system is useless for you. Okay. Now, how does this work? Let's see the process. Step 1, you have proposition P, it's true, we assume that. Step 2, we have not P is true, we assume that as well. Step 3, via disjunction introduction, we take P or Q, where Q can be anything. Okay? And step 4, via disjunctive syllogism of 2 and 3, we derive that Q is true. So without knowing whether Q was true, we are able to prove that Q is true. Okay, and this is a big problem. Let's take like a real world example. Let's say we have it will rain today as true and it will not rain today as true, both of them. Now let's say someone else says, hey, it will rain today or I'm able to fly. They want to prove that they're able to fly. Okay, again it will not rain is true. Essentially they proved that I'm able to fly, and they jump off the building, but they won't be able to fly, right? So this principle of explosion therefore renders a logical system to be useless. So something to look out for, if you're able to prove P and not P to be true in a system, then that system is essentially useless.